Let us now discuss what is self-RAG and how is it different from RAG. How does RAG work in general? RAG is nothing but retrieval-augmented generation. Let's say I'm just asking a question, how did your state get their name? So when I ask this question to AI, I want to understand how it is generating information according to it using RAG. So step one, what happens? It tries to retrieve the document. So when I ask this question, instead of coming up with the pre-trained model information or pre-loaded knowledge, RAG does little adventure, I can say. It will just find out the most relevant documents and it tries to give me a better answer. So step one, the AI retrieves few documents, right? K documents, for example. So the first one states that of the 50 states, 11 are named after an individual person. Popular names by states. In Texas, Emma is a popular baby name. Then the third statement, California was named after a fictional island in a Spanish book. Right. Then what happens? The AI uses these documents to get an answer. Now you can see that this is the answer being generated. But there is a catch. What may happen? This may mix things up, or sometimes it may come up with irrelevant details also. For example, it may say US states got their names from variety of sources, right? So 11 states are named after an individual person. So some states name also it is coming up with, but is it exactly correct? You can see that it is being contradictory. Here, if you see no information in passages, right? So now how self-RAG is going to save us? Let's now discuss about it. This is basically the upgraded version of RAG. It pulls the documents like how RAG does. It's like AI, how it learns to multitask and also about critic. So step one, you can see retrieve on demand. So US states got their names from a variety of sources. So what is it doing? It is retrieving. So self-RAG retrieves documents on demand. Then it generates multiple segments from the document at the same time. Prompt 1, prompt 2, and prompt 3. So 11 of 50 state names come from person. You can see here there is something irrelevant. Texas is named after a Native American tribe. And California's name has its origin, this one, right? So this is relevant partial. So here it tries to pick the most accurate bits and it come up with a precise answer. So you can see critic outputs and then select the best segments. So now you can see US states got their names from a variety of sources. 11 of 50 states names are come from persons. 26 states are named after Native Americans. So here, self-RAG comes up with the answers, which is not only relevant, but spot, I can say that it is accurate. So it continuously retrieves new information if needed, self-critic, and then it tries to refine the answer. So imagine you ask about your summer vacation with a RAG, right? Write an essay of your best summer vacation. With the RAG, yes, definitely you will be getting a decent story. But if you write the same with the self-RAG, you will be getting an epic tale with all the right details like road trip adventures, the cool place you visited, or the fun activities, all that. So I can say that this is basically a professional storyteller at your fingertips. So let's compare RAG and self-RAG. Both are incredible AI technologies. There is no doubt about it. But self-RAG has taken the crown for accuracy and detail. I hope this is clear. In case if you have any questions, without any hesitation, please write it in the comment so that I can make a new video with that. Thank you.